Rahim, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, KG students. Hope you all will be fine and healthy. Alhamdulillah, I'm too good. My name is Ma'am Asya. I'm your class KG teacher from the Educator School. This is your science book. The name of book is Science Introductory Text and Activity Book. Okay. Please open your book and take out the page number 8. Page number 8. Okay. This is page number 8. Please open it. Okay. This is your unit number 2, the human body. Unit number 2, the human body. Human body means human beings. We have read the human body parts and face parts on page number 5. On page number 5. This is page number 5. Okay. Parts of the body and parts of the face. Okay, open the page number 8. This is your topic name. Topic name is 5 senses. I have told you the human body means human beings. We have read the human body parts and face parts on page number 5. We have read the face parts. Face parts are eyes, nose, ears, lips and skin. Okay. This is your topic number 3. The topic name is 5 senses. 5 senses. How many senses? 5 senses. Yes, 5 senses. Okay. Okay. Number 1 is eye. Number 2 is nose. Number 3 is ear. Number 4 is tongue. And number 5 is skin. I will teach you about the senses. What is the meaning of senses? Senses means the power of sight, smell, hearing, taste and touch. Senses means the power of sight, smell, hearing, taste and touch. Okay. Okay, now start the reading. Keep your finger on the book page number 8. Keep your finger. Okay. We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Okay. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. The first picture is eye. As you can see on this page, the first picture is eye. Eye is see to the sun and nature view. What is the function of eyes? The function of eye is to see. When you close your eyes, you can't see anything. We have 2 eyes. We can see with our eyes. We can see with our eyes. Okay. This is our sense organ. This is our sense organ. Read this sentence. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Okay. The next picture is nose. The next picture is nose. As you can see, nose is used for smelling, breathing. Look here. The girl is smelling the flowers with her nose. Nose is used for breathing. When you inhale and exhale, so that's why nose is called for smelling and breathing. This is a sense organ. So read this sentence. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. Okay? Understand? The next picture is ear. The next picture is ear. Ear is a sense organ because we can hear the voice, we can hear the sound, we can hear the music, we can listen to the teacher or parents. Okay? Look here. The boy is listening to the music with ears. The boy is listening to the music with ears. Read this sentence. We hear with our ears. Understand, students? Okay, now see on next page, page number 9. Okay, this is a picture of tongue. This is a picture of tongue. Tongue is also sense organ. It is used for good taste or bad taste. I mean to say, when we eat something, our tongue feels its taste. Here is a picture of a boy. What is he doing? He is tasting the candy. The candy taste is very sweet. So tongue is used for tasting. Tongue is a sense organ. Okay. Okay. The taste sense. Okay. The boy is tasting the candy. Read with me. Read this sentence. We taste with our tongue. Again read. We taste with our tongue. Okay. Okay, students. The last is a skin. Yes, this picture is skin. As you can see on this book page, this is a R. This is R. He is touching his own skin with fingers. He is touching his own skin with fingers. The upper layer of our body is called skin. The upper layer of our body is called skin. Okay. We touch and feel with our skin. Read with me. We touch and feel with our skin. Okay. When someone hurt you, your skin feels the pain. Or skin is a sense organ. Okay, skin is a sense organ because we can touch and we can feel with our skin. Okay, students, this is your today's lecture. Inshallah, we will start exercise A and exercise B. This is exercise B. Okay, and exercise B in next lecture we will start. Okay, hope you will have understood the 5 senses. These are 5 senses: eye, nose, ear, tongue and skin. Okay, hope you will have understood the 5 senses. Okay, take care KG students. Allah Hafiz.